how to sign out of email accounts on iPhone. Hi there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio, and today's guide video I'll show you how you can remove or delete the email account from your iPhone. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so signing out any email account from your iPhone is pretty quick and easy. Simply go ahead and open up the settings app from your device and then scroll down to the very bottom, tap on apps, and from the apps section you just need to find out the mail application. And once you get the mail app, go ahead and tap on mail and go ahead and tap on mail accounts. And once you tap on that, here it's going to show you all the account that you have logged in on your iPhone. So simply go ahead and tap on the mail that you want to remove or sign out. And once you're here inside this one, you'll get to see the delete account. You just need to tap on delete account. Tap on delete from my iPhone and the mail will be simply signed out from your iPhone. And this is how you actually can do this process. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.